Hi guys, I'm boiling sweet potato here
Because she's cooking it.
because I will be making sweet potato yam.
And it'll be so tasty because sweet potatoes kind of sweet.
And then pretty soon I will be baking it.
Yeah. Put some marshmallows in it after.
I'll be putting marshmallows, brown sugar, butter, and then put it in the oven and bake it.
Yeah, and it'll be so good.
Yeah, so that's it. I'll let that boil for a while until it gets softer.
And then we'll bake it.
Okay, we'll check if it's
Ready
yet. Hold on a second.
Whoa! It's leaking, it's leaking, it's leaking.
Hold on a second, baby.
I know.
Could you move a little bit, please?
Okay. That's why never touch a stove when it's hot, because it might burn you. And we're checking the potatoes if they're soft yet.
Yeah.
Are they soft yet, Mom?
Not quite.
We're going to wait for a little longer because they're not quite soft.
Hold on.
Are you ready yet, Mom?
Not yet.
Are you checking if there's a soft hot spot?
It's getting softer, but not quite ready yet. Okay.
Let me put this back on.
Okay, put it back on. There is no grease.
I know.
It's just water.
Yeah, but it's again. Ooh, my mom is checking them.
Can you put that aside, please? Thank you.
I got burnt. That's why always be careful.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Just a tiny, tiny burnt.
Okay.
Is it soft enough?
Yeah, I think it's ready. We'll just have to turn this off.
Turn it off to the off button. And it should stop bubbling later.
Okay.
And then till it's soft enough, we're going to put it in an oven with ingredients.
Yeah, the rest of the ingredients.
See you later.
Okay. Not yet.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, I think we need to put that in a pan.
And I got the pan right here. Now we're putting it in the pan.
You had to transfer this in the pan.
Yep.
In the other pan. And
Ensure that all the water's out. And then we're going to take the peeling off. And then, what?
Oops. There you go.
And then we're going to put it in the pan, not a bigger pan, like a rectangle pan. And then put it in the rectangle pan and then put ingredients for it. And then put it in the oven and that's all. And when it's done, you can try it and it tastes so good.
Yeah.
And then maybe next time you should try that.
Okay, over here I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients.
Yeah, it's going to be...
What is it?
It's going to be marshmallow, coconut sugar, and butter.
Butter, yeah, coconut sugar.
And
you can use, if you don't have a coconut sugar, then the brown sugar, but you can use, either way.
Sugar.
Yeah, you can, just put brown sugar.
Or you can do brown sugar or coconut sugar.
Yeah, it tastes
good.
Brown sugar and coconut sugar, they have a different taste. Different texture too. So anyway, this is the pan that we're gonna put our potato, and then
I'm the one who's going to let it cool.
Yeah, we have to slice it and put it in this pan. Okay.
Mom, I thought you were going to cut it.
I'm trying to peel this.
Peel that off so no bitter taste. On. My mom kind of forgot that it was on.
It's still hot.
Yeah, and be careful because you don't want your hands to see.
I know.
And put in the pan where the others go. And my mom keeps on watching where I'm doing. She's silly. My hands are kind of shaky, Mom.
Is it? And
Yeah.
Look over here.
I'm looking.
You just have to pile that over here. Ouch.
It all in the thing, in the pan. Put all the orange part
Hot.
in the pan, and it's really burning my mom's fingers. Then watch her.
Yeah, you just have to peel it.
And be careful. Make sure they're really cool, and then cut the peeling off, and then put it in the pan if you got one.
Just throw it there.
Throw all the other ones
Don't
in
show.
the sink.
Here.
Nah, I already showed them.
Cut it again.
Yeah, and then do the same thing over and over.
Yeah.
But not with a marshmallow.
There.
Do like that, and then put it in there again.
Just pile that up over here.
Yep.
There you go. And then we're gonna preheat the oven.
And then
Hold on.
put the marshmallows,
I put it to 350.
add butter,
350
and marshmallows
degrees.
with brown sugar. It's so
Good
good.
light.
And then
There.
wait till it gets hot, and then I'm gonna open the marshmallows. Ooh.
Okay, can you? No, we gotta put sugar first.
Okay. Where's the? I thought they burned the spoon here.
Okay, get it?
She's cutting
Just probably use
half of it.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, we're not
All
really.
you do is just hold on.
That's what we're supposed
Just
to do.
cut it like that.
Cut that.
Kind of
And,
spread it around. I know they're hot.
but anyways, it's
Melt it.
okay. Anyways, it's okay if they're hot, but make sure they're still cooled. Make sure if they're not hot, that's good, so your fingers won't burn.
There's
What? This one.
half cup of butter.
Half cup of it.
Yeah.
A lot, and make sure you have butter so nothing will stick to the pan either. If you're breaking bread, make sure you put butter before it, 'cause it will stick. Look at the wrap. And then the
Are you
wrappers,
gonna,
and I'm going
you
to
wanna
put
put the
Marshmallow.
put
What?
the
sugar.
sugar.
Okay. First I gotta mash the sugar because it's really lumpy. Make sure there's no lumps. There's no lumps. Because if there's lumps, it would be really hard.
Okay, ready? Just spread it.
I want it more. I want to have a tiny taste of it.
Come on.
Good. It really tastes good. Almost tastes like coconut.
Careful. Okay. On that side over there. Over here. Oh, that's a lot on that side. Can I have that one?
Okay, it's really hard for me anyways.
I just have to spread that. 'Cause that's a lot. Whoops. Okay, hold on a second. Sprinkle. I
If
think
you-
that's it, baby.
If you like sugar, just take a tiny, tiny one in your mouth. Because if you take a lot of sugar, all your teeth will fall out.
Okay, put the
Put the lid back on the brown sugar lid.
and then
And-
this one. Put some butter. Can you open it?
Yeah. But what? How come you said butter? You
Oh,
said
no,
butter.
The marshmallows.
Yeah. She's
Can
silly.
you hold it for me, please?
Yeah. Usually,
Don't
sometimes
shake it because it makes you dizzy.
she kind of forgets the words. Ooh, two. Ooh, I want to have one marshmallow too.
Okay.
Good.
kind of shaky. I'm just using my cell phone to take a video.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to do it with a cell phone.
You can put as many marshmallows as you want. Marshmallows. Okay. In the middle too. There you go. That's probably enough.
Okay.
Okay. And now, as soon as the oven is ready,
we're putting it in the oven.
Let me see. There's 215 degrees, so we're still preheating it.
If it's 215 degrees, put it in there.
No, it will be at 350.
Yeah. You can have 4 or 5 marshmallows in your stomach if it's alright. With your parents. I'm just kidding.
Don't eat too much marshmallows, baby.
One more.
Are we going to put it in the oven? Be careful.
Okay.
I think I'll do that.
Okay.
Give it to me.
It's really heavy though. Let me hold this.
I'll do it. Okay. Let's put that in the oven. Probably will...
Set it for 20 minutes or 5 minutes?
No, probably 10 minutes. Or as long as the marshmallow melts. So that's probably done. Okay.
We're ready to take it out. To me, she's weird. Turn your oven off, and then we're taking it out. Voila! It's showing your body.
It's alright. There you go.
Put it there. Like this.
Okay.
And that's what it looks like. And now I'm going to have a tiny piece.
No. That's hot. That's pretty hot. You have to wait. Wait. Okay, that's our sweet potato yam. Don't do that, please.
I'm silly. I like
She's just being silly. Okay, and then medyo malamig na because I know it's still hot. So we'll see
Don't burn me yet.
later.